This is the Get Started video for all of the SINGER M3300 series sewing machines. In this video, we'll begin with a quick overview of the machine and its main parts. Then, we'll show you how to wind and insert a bobbin and how to thread the top of the machine. This will be followed by selecting stitches, sewing a buttonhole, changing presser feet, and changing needles. For more information about your machine, a full instruction manual is available on the SINGER website to view or download anytime. So now, let's get started. Before threading the machine, let's take a look at its main parts. First, we need to plug the machine in and turn it on, and to do so, I'm going to plug in the power cord over here at the side and turn the machine on. This is your hand wheel, and it is used to manually move the needle up and down. You want to make sure that you always turn the hand wheel toward you. This is the bobbin winding spindle and bobbin winding stopper, and we'll talk more about those when we get ready to wind a bobbin. This is your stitch length dial, which you can see by the icon here, and this is used to make your stitches longer or shorter. This is your stitch width dial, as you can see from the icon here, and this is used to make your stitches narrower or wider. And in straight stitch mode, it's used to move your needle position. This is your thread tension dial. Here's your carry handle and your spool pin. This is a thread guide. This is another thread guide. This is the bobbin winding tension disc. The reverse lever, the thread take-up lever, your thread cutter, and this over here is your stitch selector dial. And this you turn to choose the stitch you want to sew. This is a thread guide just above the needle, and here's the needle. It's a needle clamp screw and needle clamp, and they together hold the needle in place. There's your presser foot and presser foot holder. And this back here is your presser foot lifter, and this is used to raise and lower your presser foot. It actually has an extra high setting for when you want to sew extra thick fabrics. Over here is your needle threader lever, and we'll talk about that when we thread the machine. And this is your buttonhole lever, and we'll talk about that and show you how that works when we make a buttonhole. This is the removable storage compartment, and it gives you a flat surface for sewing, but you can take it off the machine, giving you access to the free arm. And this is really nice when you want to do things like sew trouser hems or sleeve cuffs. There's a hinged door here that gives you access to the bobbin area. We'll talk about that when we wind a bobbin. Your removable storage compartment has a door in the back, and when you open it, you have access to a storage area where you can keep all the accessories that came with your machine. They're handy and at your fingertips anytime you need them. Then just slide the removable storage compartment back onto the machine. For more information about your machine and its included accessories, a full instruction manual is available on the SINGER website to view or download anytime.